In a world dominated by billion-dollar space agencies like NASA and SpaceX, a surprising new name is making headlines. Maxwell Chikumbutso. Yes, the same Zimbabwean inventor who claimed to build a self-powered car is now aiming far higher, outer space. Could this be the beginning of Africa's boldest leap into space exploration? Or is this just another impossible dream? Let's break it all down. The 21st century has sparked a new kind of space race. From Mars missions to private satellites and moon landings, the players have changed, but the ambition remains the same. NASA and ESA dominate with deep budgets and long histories. SpaceX, led by Elon Musk, has redefined innovation with reusable rockets and interplanetary dreams. Now, in a move few saw coming, Zimbabwe enters the conversation, through a name already wrapped in controversy and ambition: Maxwell Chikumbutso. Born in Harare, Maxwell is a self-taught inventor, known for radical and sometimes unbelievable claims, including a self-charging electric car, a TV that runs without external power, and even a drone-powered helicopter. While mainstream science has long doubted his inventions due to a lack of peer-reviewed evidence, Maxwell has gained passionate supporters, especially in Zimbabwe, where his ideas represent something deeper: the hope of African innovation breaking global barriers. Now he says he's ready to take Africa to space. According to leaked blueprints and reports from his company, Seth Technologies, Maxwell and a private coalition of African engineers are developing a hybrid propulsion spacecraft, allegedly powered by the same radio frequency, RF, energy tech used in his self-powered car. The project is said to involve a nano-satellite prototype, a ground-based wireless energy station, and a reusable mini-launch vehicle that doesn't require traditional fuel. If true, this technology would bypass the need for billion-dollar rocket fuel infrastructure and open low Earth orbit access to smaller nations. Let's put things in perspective. SpaceX has launched over 300 missions, landed reusable boosters dozens of times, and sends astronauts to the International Space Station. NASA, with decades of funding and scientific rigor, leads in planetary science, human spaceflight, and deep space exploration. By contrast, Maxwell's team has yet to conduct a public flight test, share data with independent observers, or register a satellite with the International Telecommunication Union (ITU). Still, the ambition is undeniable. The idea? Build a low-cost African launch system for remote sensing, agriculture, communication, and yes, even defense. The scientific community remains skeptical. Critics point out the absence of technical documentation, patents, or orbital simulation data. One professor bluntly stated, "What Maxwell proposes would violate basic laws of physics, unless he's discovered something no one else has." Others are more cautious, urging peer review and transparency rather than outright dismissal. Still, challenges remain. Funding. Launching rockets requires millions. Regulation. International treaties control space use. Credibility. Past controversies around Maxwell's unverified claims. Maxwell isn't alone in dreaming big. Across the continent, Africa is already reaching for the stars. Nigeria and South Africa have launched satellites. Egypt has a national space agency. Ghana successfully deployed its first satellite in 2017. The African Union approved a continental space policy in 2016. What makes Maxwell different is his goal: to create a fully independent launch system, not reliant on foreign agencies. Whether visionary or unrealistic, it's a bold stance, and one that demands attention. Could Africa's first private space launch come from a Harare garage? Could a man with no formal scientific degree outsmart billion-dollar corporations? Or is this simply another viral headline, destined to fade when the physics don't hold up? The line between genius and delusion has always been thin. Space is the next frontier, not just for the West or the East, but for all humanity. Whether Maxwell Chikumbutso's ideas hold up to scrutiny or not, one thing is clear: Africa is dreaming bigger than ever. And maybe, just maybe, the next great leap won't come from Houston or Cape Canaveral, but from somewhere unexpected, like Harare.